Let's make creamy butter chicken with rice and garlic naan. This is so good, it's one of my go-to comfort foods. So let's get into it. First, you'll start off by pouring a cup of rice into 2 cups of water, placing that on the stove. Then we'll cut up our chicken. We'll put some olive oil and season it with some black pepper, salt, paprika, and some garlic and herb seasoning. Combine it real good, and then we're going to throw it on our skillet. We're going to fry the chicken nice and crispy on both sides, and then I did take the chicken out and cut it up a little bit more, place it back in with our butter chicken sauce, give it a good mix. By that time our rice should be done. Throw some butter in, mix it up, and that's it. Buttered chicken perfection in under 30 minutes. Save this recipe for your next cozy night in. So good.